When was the last time you truly listened to yourself? Not your responsibilities, not your calendar, not your worries, not other people's opinions. You. Because sometimes we become so practiced at listening outward, we lose connection with the quieter voice inside. The voice that says, I'm tired. I need space. This doesn't feel right. Slow down. Keep going. This matters. Life gets loud. Responsibilities become loud. Fear becomes loud. Expectations become loud. And slowly, without realizing it, we stop hearing ourselves. Today, we practice returning, not becoming someone new, remembering someone familiar, you. Hey everybody, welcome to today's meditation. I'm Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist, I'm a coach, I'm a runner, and someone who deeply believes healing happens when we reconnect mind, body, and spirit. And for nearly 30 years, I've worked in mental health. And one thing I've learned, both personally and professionally, is that many of us spend years learning how to listen to everyone else without learning how to listen inward. We learn responsibility, performance, achievement, caretaking. We've become experts at reading rooms, anticipating needs, holding space, managing emotions. But somewhere along the way, we stop asking, what do I need? Today, we practice listening again. And if this work supports your healing journey, I invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join me on my Substack community. These conversations continue way beyond this meditation. And if you've been feeling stressed or overextended, disconnected from yourself, take a look at my 7-day nervous system reset. It's a guided experience designed to help you regulate your nervous system, slow survival mode, and reconnect with your safety inside your body. The link is in my description of my YouTube channel, and you can find that there. Now, let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. No perfect posture. No performance. No expectation. Just support. If it feels safe for you, gently close your eyes. If not, then just soften your gaze downward. Start by taking a slow breath in through your nose and slowly let it go through your mouth. Again, breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Just allow yourself to arrive. Notice the places where your body meets support. Notice your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Notice effort. Notice softness. Notice what your body has been carrying. No changing, no fixing, only noticing. Now gently bring awareness inward, past the noise, past the planning, past the doing, past the role you play for everyone else. Just inward. Notice your breathing, the steady rise, the gentle fall, your body speaking quietly, always speaking, sometimes whispering, sometimes asking, sometimes trying to get your attention. Fatigue, tension, tightness, exhaustion, energy, calm. Your body communicates. The question is, have we been listening? Now quietly ask yourself, what have I been needing that I haven't allowed myself to acknowledge? No forcing, no searching, simply allowing. Maybe rest, maybe support, maybe stillness, maybe honesty, maybe space, maybe boundaries, maybe joy. Allow whatever arrives. Now imagine yourself walking toward a quiet place, perhaps a path, a beach, a trail, a bench beneath trees. Choose whatever feels safe, familiar, steady. See yourself there, alone, not lonely, present. Now imagine a wiser part of yourself sitting nearby. Not a future version, not a perfect version, simply the deepest, most grounded, most compassionate part of you. A version of you beneath fear, beneath proving, beneath performance. Sit beside them. No rush, no pressure, only presence. Notice their energy. Calm, steady, safe. Now quietly ask, what do I need right now? Listen, not with your thoughts. Listen deeper. Maybe words come. Maybe feelings. Maybe images. Maybe nothing. Trust what comes. Trust what doesn't. Take a slow breath. Breathing in trust. Breathing out pressure. Again. Breathing in softness. Breathing out striving. Place one hand over your heart. Feel your body beneath your hand. Present. Here. Alive. And quietly repeat, my voice matters. My needs matter. I can listen without judgment. I can trust myself gently. I do not have to abandon myself to belong. I'm learning to hear myself again. Take one final slow breath in. Slowly let it go. Begin noticing the room around you, the surface supporting you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, slowly returning. Allow light back in gently, opening your eyes or lifting your gaze. Take your time. As you move through today, pause just once. Place a hand over your heart and ask, what do I need right now? Not what others need. Not what expectations need. You. Because living forward sometimes begins by learning to heal yourself again. I want to thank you so much for spending this time with me. And if this meditation supported you, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Substack community. Share this meditation with someone learning to reconnect with themselves. And if your nervous system has become asking for rest, for slowing down, for support, take a look at my 7-day nervous system reset. You don't have to figure it all out alone, and take gentle care of yourself. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.